Great Judy Garland gave an incredible performance in A Star is Born. The night's bitter. The stars, they lost their glitter. That wind grows colder. All at once you're older. And all because of some gal that got away. No more hurry, Cole. That writing is on the wall. The dreams you dream, they have all gone astray. The gal that won you, she's run off and undone you. That great beginning has seen final ending. I don't know what happened. It's all crazy game. No more the old time thrill. You've been through that mill, and never a new love will be the same. Good riddance, goodbye. Every trick of hers you're on to. But fools will be fools. And where's she gone to? The road gets tougher. It's lonelier and it's rougher. With hope you burn up. Tomorrow she might turn up. There's no let up. The live long night and day. Ever since this world began, there is nothing sadder than a lost loser looking for his gal that got away. So maybe I should have saved those leftover dreams. Funny, but here's that rainy day. Here's that rainy day they told me about, and I laughed at the thought that it might turn out this way. Where is that worn out wish I tossed it aside after it brought my love near. Funny how love becomes cold. Rainy day. Funny that rainy day is here.